Hello everyone, I am Dattatranikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is understanding of a HVAC system part 25A. As mentioned earlier, this is a continuation of a series for mechanical engineering discipline. As part of this, we are creating this video and this will be produced as a separate playlist for mechanical engineering. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics and segregated and saved in a separate playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, eFunda team has created option for a separate membership. You have to just go there and press join button, which comes with various benefits. One of the benefit is that you will get the notification of our video to first to you, and then rest will be followed. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is understanding of a HVAC system part 25A. Before we proceed into the detailed video of understanding of a HVAC system, let's understand in a brief what is HVAC system. HVAC is a system which can keep your premises either heated or cooled based on the conditions, where the H stand for heating. That means whenever the heating is required, it can be produced. And then V stand for ventilation. Keeping the ventilation means keeping the fresh air into your surrounding or the premises where you are looking to have the systems. And then finally AC is the air conditioning. This is what the complete meaning of a HVAC system, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Now we will see the details of these HVAC systems. Introduction to HVAC system. HVAC or heating, ventilation and air conditioning is a sub branch of a mechanical engineering that provides thermal comfort to building occupants by maintaining systematic air circulation and controlling humidity, temperature and air quality to provide a comfortable living environment for everyone. It is a part of a mechanical discipline and a MEP, that is a mechanical, electrical and a plumbing. Mainly the HVAC system keeps us warm in winter and cool in summer. It reduces humidity raised during the monsoon season. HVAC keeps the indoor and outdoor air clean in almost any season. HVAC system consists of three main components. First is the heating. It provides warmth through a central heating system, while ventilation aims to circulate air through mechanical means. Second is the ventilation. The ventilation process in HVAC is used to keep the airflow clean and steady. Be it outdoors or indoor, it exchanges indoor air with outdoor air for maintaining a fresh air supply into the premises or a building. Third is the air conditioning. It is an essential part of MEP and HVAC, maintaining a comfortable temperature, especially during summers. AC systems purify air, cool the area, dehumidify the space and provides ventilation for a better indoor environment. As you can see into the picture, how the office premises HVAC system and then the difference into the residential HVAC system. The purpose of today's topic is to understand what exactly mean by HVAC system, what are the types of HVAC system, what are the components of the HVAC systems and many other more fundamental points. Basic HVAC system diagram. One can refer to the figures below where you can see the basic HVAC system diagram and the detailed cross-sectional view of the HVAC duct system. Main components are the chiller, heat pump and the AHU, that is the air handling unit, and the below detail sketch you can see how the supply, then return air and various cooling air, mixing section, filter, preheat cool, preheat coil, back filter, fan, etc. are shown. Now we'll see the detail of each part. AHU, air handling unit. At the first, outside air enters into AHU, then process at the filter cooling coil where its temperature is getting decreased so that the room will be cooled from inside. But when the cooling coil is not charged and then the heating coil is charged, then the temperature of the air inside the room will be increased and the room will be hotter or it becomes hot. Basically, the cooling coils helps to control the temperature, whereas the heating coil helps to maintain or control humidity inside the room. After the heating coil, you can see there is a fan that is used to circulate the air among the duct, and it helps to pull air from the outside to the room inside and circulate the fresh air. The air inside room again comes into the input of the HVAC, thus the air keep on circulating. This is how the AHU is helping to get the air from outside and start circulating. Now the next section is the chiller. Basically, the main function of the chiller is to produce cold and chilled water which flows through the cooling coil of a AHU or a air handling unit. Thus, the chilled water continuously flowed through the cooling coil so as to pass the air through the cooling coil and it get chilled. It see the water cooled chiller which requires a cooling tower and condenser pump for cooling. This is what about the chiller. Now moving on to the last part, that is a heat pump. Heat pump produces the hot water that circulates through the heating coil of a AHU system. So when the airflow passes through the heating coil, it gets hot so that it can maintain the humidity or increase the room temperature. Here also you can see there are two pumps, that is a primary pump and the secondary pump are being used. The primary pump helps to transmit the hot water from the heat pump to AHU unit, and then the secondary pump or a second pump help to transmit the hot water from AHU to the heat pump. This is how the recirculation is going of the heating or heated water and circulation into the AHU unit. The second section you can see how the air flows is being done inside and how it is passing through the various filter, cooling coil, heating coil, etc., and then passes through air circulating fan. This is how the temperature is being maintained inside the room. That is the purpose of a HVAC system, and this is the basic fundamentals of the HVAC system. HVAC system basic component, one can refer to the picture below where the courtesy is from automationforum.co. One can see how the HVAC system is complete installation is being done. Starting from the bottom, we will see how the installation is done. A return air duct from rooms are there, then the blower at the back side, then the filter inside, and then further it is going through the air handling unit, then the evaporator coil, and then air supply duct to the rooms. Then below this refrigerant field tubing, then behind is the fan at the top, then condenser coil and the compressor inside. This is how the complete setup for HVAC systems. We will see the critical components of the system. First is the thermostat. This is the control center for HVAC system. It allows user to set the desired temperature and control the system's operation. Second, Furnace or a heat pump. In heating system, a furnace burns fuel such as a gas or a oil to produce heat, while the heat pump extracts the heat from the outside air or a ground and transfer it to the indoors. Air conditioner. This component is cooled indoor air by removing heat and moisture from it, and it uses a refrigerant to facilitate the heat exchange process. Ductwork. Ductworks are the pathway that distributes heated or cooled air from the HVAC system to different rooms or zones within a building. They are also return air back to the system for reconditioning is possible. Air filters. Filters are placed in the return air duct to trap the dust, dirt, allergens and other particulars, improving indoor air quality and protecting the HVAC system's components from getting damaged. Then the blower fan. The blower fan is responsible for circulating air throughout the ductwork and into the living spaces of a building, where it forces air over the evaporator coil during cooling mode and over the heat exchanger during heating mode. Vents and resistors. These are the openings into the walls made or floors or a ceiling where air is delivered into the room through air supply ducts. They can be open, closed or adjusted to control the airflow and the temperature distribution. Then main parts are the humidifier or dehumidifier. Some of the HVAC system includes humidifier to add moisture to dry indoor air during heating season, while dehumidifier removes excess moisture from humid air during the cooling season. Thermal expansion valve or orifice. This component regulates the flow of the refrigerant into evaporator coil, which is there at the top, which you can see in the figure, controlling the rate at which the refrigerant evaporates and absorbs heat from indoor air. This is how the basic components are assembled to make a HVAC system, and the functions we have seen here for understanding purpose. Working of a HVAC system, one can refer to the picture where the complete HVAC system is shown, courtesy by Teji Engineering Design Solution, for providing wonderful diagrammatic representation of a HVAC system. One can see the two levels are shown, where the basic level is of the various rooms, starting from the electrical panel to the office area, cafeteria and other rooms as well, and similarly the various kinds of the duct arrangement for the supply air as well as the return air. And then further it is at the above package unit, constant volume provider is there, and this is how the complete system is being worked, and the atmosphere is maintained such a way that it is comfortable to work. Then the HVAC system sometimes referred as a climate control, which may be consist of a three chief element of their work, and they are: first, a source from or for warm and cool air such as a furnace or an air conditioner; a distribution system such as a duct or pipes for distributing the desired airflow; and a control unit such as a thermostat for regulating the HVAC system. A centralized heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, that is HVAC, in MEP design for a building facilities both heating and cooling into the building area. The central HVAC system consists of a source for warm and cool air and a distribution system and a control unit. One can refer to the picture above. Similarly, both heating and cooling work in a similar way and are used for improving the air quality and making the environment comfortable. This is what the function of a HVAC and working of a HVAC system. Now starting with types of HVAC system, one can refer to the first picture where ducted HVAC system is shown. One can see in the arrangement as well. Types are split system, hybrid split system, package heating and cooling and a zone system. Another picture one can see ductless HVAC system. One can see the arrangement into the picture below. Types are duct free, mini split, hydronic heating, portable units. These are the types of a ductless HVAC system. Further moving, we will see the detail of each system in brief so as to understand the complete HVAC system related topic. Ducted HVAC system. First type is a split system. One can refer to the figure. Split system are common HVAC system in a residential building consisting of two components for heating and cooling. Red color that is shown as a furnace or a blower as a heating, and blue color is shown as a air conditioning. The heating unit is typically located in an indoor space while cooling system is outside and uses compressor, coils and refrigerant to create cool air. Key feature: the temperature of the entire unit is managed by a single thermostat. Moving on to second type, hybrid split system. Hybrid split system is a system that provides a hybrid split system uses gas and electric power to create heat, providing building owner with a more control over energy consumption and potentially reducing cost in milder climates. Key feature: reduces energy consumption. Package heating and cooling, one can refer to the picture where package heating and cooling system are smaller, less common and better suited for small buildings with limited storage space. Refer into the picture. They are housed in a single unit and connect to ducts through a single hole. They are cost effective, easier to maintain and can be installed with evaporator coils. A key feature: a single unit is easy to maintain. Then moving on to the zone system, one can see the figure where HVAC zoning systems provide building occupants more control over the temperature in a different rooms or section. One can see how it is being controlled air flow for warm and cool zones. The ideal approach varies with the size of the structure. In order to regulate the temperature on a different floor, larger residences may install numerous system dampers which regulates airflow and increase energy efficiency and can be operated manually or automatically. The key feature: more personalized temperature control option. This is how the ducted system is being segregated and explained briefly for your better understanding. The ductless HVAC system. The ductless HVAC system, as the name implies itself, are made to heat or cool an area without needing of an air duct. This system are often utilizes a temporary type of a construction at a site and tiny structures, as well as they are available in different forms and sizes. Types are: first type is a duct free mini split type. Ductless mini split system are electronic unit which you can see into the picture, used in multi-family homes, office buildings and hotels. They consist of an outdoor compressor, condenser, refrigerant, indoor air handling unit, heat pump, power cable and thermostat. Although expensive, They reduce energy cost and consumption over the longer time period over the time. However, they are less effective in colder climate. That means they can serve during the hot is very useful. Key feature of this, which provides ductless temperature control for individual spaces. That is why the duct free mini split type is more recommended at home and other levels of the houses. Second, hydronic heating. One can refer to the hydronic heating picture. You can see there hydronic heating uses liquid to radiate heat, heating water through a boiler and distributing it through various types of pipes. It can also use in a radiant flooring system, heating the floors. Key feature, uses liquid to radiate the heat. That is why the hydronic heating system is also a very key element of this ductless HVAC system. Now moving on to the portable units, one can refer to the pictures portable spot cooler or a portable heat pump type. Portable units, that is a spot cooler and a heat pump, are portable AC units that cool large spaces by drawing in ambient air, pushing it over a refrigerated coil and pumping pumping it back into the spaces around where they are installed or placed, allowing for varying the climate. Key feature, easy to transport and simple to fit for users. You can move around and you can place wherever you wanted. That is why the ductless HVAC systems are getting more popular wherever the based on the need type it is applicable. Analysis of a HVAC system. So far in this video we have covered introduction to HVAC system, basic HVAC system components, basic HVAC system diagram, basic HVAC system working, and type of HVAC systems and their configuration. Now moving on to the analysis of HVAC system. Here we are not going to do the detailed calculation or analysis. However, there are few factors which really sometimes affect the cost of the new HVAC system for your building. We will see some details. First is the design of a HVAC system. The design of an HVAC system mainly depends on the design of the structure and a component in it involves. A structure with a complex geometry may incur heavy cost for HVAC components, while a system with simpler design incurs relatively lower cost. Second is the size of the built facility. A building or a built facility with a relatively large area requires more HVAC components and their relevant material, which turns out to be more expensive and vice versa. Third, the efficiency of the system. Installing or replacing an HVAC system in the building increases the building efficiency. However, the system providing more efficient or efficiency to the building structure will cost more than less efficient systems. So this is how the some of the key points were analyzed for ACAC HVAC system design, and hope this today's video will help you to understand the complete idea of this HVAC system. Coming next, we will see some of the installation photographs of HVAC systems. Installation photographs of a HVAC system. Please refer to the photographs given in this slide, where you can see how the outdoor installation is being done and the ducting, and how the outdoor unit installation is done properly and safely by HVAC team. Also in one of the picture you can see how the ducting is done inside the room with the various outlet so as to they can circulate the fresh air and collect the return air as well. And one can see in the last photograph all the automated HVAC systems where the control panels are installed and various types of detection system for the temperature measurement is done. This is how we have tried to cover the today's topic, that is understanding of a HVAC system, and hope this video will help you to understand the complete HVAC system. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.